For nearly 70 years, Suffolk High School was a place where lifelong memories were made. And when its doors closed in 1990, the vibrant halls fell silent. In 1998, as neglect and decay were taking their toll, a small group of citizens rallied the community with an innovative plan to revive the historic building. In Suffolk's long history, never had a goal been embraced by so many.
After 8 years of planning and 2 years of construction, the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts proudly took its place as Hampton Roads' newest arts center in 2006. Since our grand opening, the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts has educated, entertained, and inspired thousands of visitors by bringing a wide range of quality performances, programs, and special events to Suffolk. Now it's your chance to come alive at the center. Ignite your creative spirit. Take a class in painting, pottery, dance, theater, weaving, or one of the many other opportunities to learn and grow at the center. Enjoy a performance. Attend a lecture or film. Unique local and national performances grace our stage throughout the season. View the works of local or national artists in our art galleries, or put your hands to work on the looms in our weaving room and create your own masterpiece. There's something for everyone and every age. Shop at the center. Jesters, on the first floor of the center, offers affordable one-of-a-kind art and gifts crafted by regional artists. From jewelry to baby gifts, from cookbooks to providing options for wedding registries, Jesters is filled with unique and wonderful gifts. Eat at the center. Our cafe uses the best local ingredients to create healthy, beautiful, and sumptuous cuisine. Come in and enjoy lunch, dinner, or just a relaxing cup of coffee. Entertain at the center. Use our unique rooms for group meetings, weddings, parties, class reunions, or corporate events. From our intimate historic classroom to our spacious, elegant ballroom, there are a variety of spaces to meet your special event needs. Experience a sense of community at the center. The center continues active involvement with other organizations to strengthen the Suffolk community. An example of partnerships and outreach includes our response to Suffolk Public School budget cuts. The center partnered with Suffolk Public Schools and the Suffolk Fine Arts Commission to provide field trips for area school children to enjoy quality educational performances at the center free of charge to the students. The center has also partnered with the Boys and Girls Club to provide after-school arts classes to give children the opportunity to spend their free time engaging in and exploring the arts. Through cultural enrichment, classes, exhibits, and educational opportunities, the center opens wonderful new doors for the entire community. There is power in the arts. Creative children grow up to be creative leaders and innovators. With many events free and open to the public, we are committed to encouraging the creative drive that leads to innovation. The arts build self-esteem, enhance personal growth, and provide opportunities for learning self-discipline and respect for diversity. Having a profound impact on the Greater Hampton Roads community, the center offers scholarships from our educational fund to enable more children to participate in activities. Grants awarded to qualifying organizations allow their members to use the center free of charge. Diverse programming attracts a broad cross-section of children, teens, young adults, families, and seniors. Activities are designed to be inclusive, all ages, backgrounds, socioeconomic, and ethnic groups. We believe that experiences in the arts provide us with a common ground for understanding our differences as well as the values we share. This truly embodies the spirit of the center: community engagement and high-quality arts experiences. The arts attract new businesses and actually add dollars to our tax base. In addition, the arts strengthen the economic vitality by bringing visitors who support area hotels, shops, and restaurants. Keep the magic alive at the center. As a not-for-profit arts organization, the Center relies on support from corporate sponsors, foundations, and individual donors, as well as our patrons and volunteers. Thanks to the hard work and support of people like you, the restored Suffolk High School now gives easy accessibility to theater, dance, song, and art while housing a vibrant community, those who perform, those who come to learn, and those who come to appreciate. Whether you volunteered your time, savored a performance, learned a new skill, enjoyed our cafe, or browsed Jester's gift shop, you are an integral part of keeping the magic alive for generations to come.